Hi there, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about Facebook Reels monetization, what they are, how you can get monetized. If you're on Facebook, you sign up on Facebook and use Facebook a lot, you might have come across some short videos like this. You can see we have Reels and short videos. I've come across short videos like this being played on Facebook. Some people upload funny videos. Those are basically what we call Reels, short videos. And you ask yourself, can I get paid through these short videos that I upload on Facebook? The answer is basically yes. But what are the process and how then you get paid? So that is what I'm going to talk about in this particular video tutorial. So stay tuned for that and watch this video to the end. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification. So that you get alert anytime I upload a new video. So let's go back and then read more about the risk. So as at February 22, 2022, Facebook Reels is now available in more than 150 countries across the entire world. So what are Reels and then how then you get monetized? That is what we're going to talk about. So Reels are fun and inspiring short videos consisting of music, audio, AR effect, text overlay, and more. So basically those are Reels. You create funny, entertaining videos and then you upload, and they are basically short videos that you upload. If you are on YouTube, you know we have something like YouTube Shorts. Okay, if you go on IG, that's Instagram, we also have Reels on Instagram, and you can share Reels on Instagram direct onto Facebook. We have that as well. So they are basically short videos that you upload on Facebook. I can get monetized and make some money out of that. So what are the requirements? Let's go down here and then let's look at what is needed. So earn money. How do you get more? How do you get money out of your Reels video? In July, we announced, that is Facebook talking. Facebook announced that they are investing $1 billion. Okay, $1 billion in creators across Facebook and IG, that's Instagram, through 2022. So you are not late. You can still join this and also make some money out of that. Starting today, that's the date about, that's 22nd February 2022. We are offering Reels Play, new bonus program on Facebook and Instagram that allow you to earn money for the Reels you share. So you create these short videos and then you make some money out of that. So what are the requirements in order to get paid by Reels? So Reels Play on Facebook will pay a bonus to eligible Facebook creators whose reach gets at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. So you just need, I believe this is quite easy to get. Reels from creators in the invites only programmers meet our content monetization policies. So what is a bit difficult about this is that it's only through invites. So what are the content monetization policies? You need to follow that. Create video, get 1,000 views in the last 30 days, create more, and then make sure you follow Facebook monetization standard. That's the content monetization standard. If you don't violate that, then you have a chance of what? Getting that invite. And then let's read something short about this content monetization policies. So these are the content monetization policies. We have content presented in the following format cannot be monetized. We have static video, static image row, static image post, slideshow of images, looping videos, and etc. So these are videos type that if you upload, you can be monetized with your Reels. So take note of that. So when you come down here, Reels Play on Facebook bonus program is currently, so Reels Play on Facebook bonus program is currently invite only. So you can always get this through invite. But once you meet these requirements, you get 1,000 views in the last 30 days, you start a greater chance. Make more Reels video, do it consistently, and then make sure you get these 1,000 views, and then also adhere to Facebook content policies, which I have over here. I'm actually going to leave the link at the description, so you read this content policy, just stay within the limit, don't violate any of the content policy, and continue to do these short videos. And I believe once you hit the requirements, Facebook is going to send you invites. So creators who are invited will be notified in the Facebook app and in Creator Studios and can sign up to earn more. So in order to access your Facebook app or Creator Studios, I advise you sign up to your Facebook page. You have a Facebook page active. So let's go to Facebook and I'll show you where you can access this monetization. So this is my Facebook page, and this time around when you open your Facebook page, you should be able to see the Meta Business Suite. An app for this. There's an app for the Meta Business Suite. So when you see that within your Facebook page, just open it or just open the app direct. So I'll just open this. In your Meta Business Suite, you can access your Creator Studios from there. In order to do that, click on All Tools. When you click on All Tools, so when you click on All Tools, it's going to open the All Tools sections for you. Then you can see we have the Creator Studios. So you can open the Creator Studio from the Meta Business Suite. So just open the Creator Studios and you'll be able to. So when you click on Creator Studios from your Meta Business, click on Creator Studios from Meta Business Suite, is going to take you to your Creator Studios. So from the Creator Studios, this is where you can access your monetization section. So you can see our monetization over here. So just click on monetization from here and you can see the requirements. So within the Creator Studios, you can see any page at all you select, you will be able to see the monetization available. But like I said, this is only through what? Invite. You can see we have fan subscription, in-stream ad. We have the invite. You can see the invite options available. Star, where people can interact with you direct, your followers. This is also through invite. We have instant article. We have paid event. So you have to have access to the YouTube studios. Once you have your risk meeting the requirement, you can just monetize your risk once you meet the requirements stated over here. You need to have 1,000 views in the last 30 days, and also make sure you have access to your Creator Studios. So anytime they've sent you invite, you'll be able to get notification, and then you can turn on the notification so that you can receive notification, and then you can turn on the monetization from your Creator Studios. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. I have a video also on the requirement for Facebook monetization. Watch that video on my channel and then also try and then follow this procedure. If you can create content, just create content and then make sure you follow Facebook content monetization policy. And if you are very lucky, Facebook will invite you to get monetized. If you are very lucky, Facebook will invite you to get monetized using Reels. So these are the requirements you need to follow. Just follow this and make sure this is quite easy to meet compared to other monetization requirements. And if you're lucky, Facebook will invite you to join the Reels monetization program. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. Till I come